A customer purchased ASUS P2B-S. So it's an ATX motherboard. It has 2 ICE 4 PCIe GP. Also has 260-pin SCSI and 150-pin SCSI connector. Here's an Adaptec controller. Interesting thing is, I'll need to check. So when we install slot 1, I think it's 300 megahertz Pentium II, 1 memory module, PCI video card, keyboard, and a monitor. So it kind of starts right away. And what's interesting is that BIOS is showing P2B-LS. L stands for the LAN, but I don't see the LAN chip here. This is the spot. It's an Intel, supposed to be Intel 82558, if I'm correct. So I guess the board is S, but the BIOS is LS. So but that's what it is. Board is okay. We will just verify battery, but that's the minor thing. So we'll check the date. I'm pretty sure it's off. Yeah, it's 1997, so it needs new battery. But board is alive, so we're gonna change the battery to a new one, and we'll do more testing later. But for now, that's preliminary and it looks okay. So everything is okay. Capacitors are in pretty good shape, so there's nothing need to be, maybe, no, all of them are good. Bulged ones. So we'll just turn it off for now.